Hi, Sage here from Keeper, and today we're going to talk about Keeper's client list. If you find value out of today's video, consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below or reach out to us using the purple widget in the bottom right corner of your account. And lastly, check out the description of this video for helpful links covering today's topic. Let's dive in. You can think of Keeper's client list as your main dashboard. It shows you which clients you have access to and keeps you updated on your progress throughout the month-end review. If you're just getting started with Keeper, your client list might feel a little empty, so let's liven it up by adding some clients using the Add Client button at the top of the screen. From there, you'll choose whether they're connected to a QBO or Zero Ledger, or if they're an unconnected client, something you can learn more about in the description of this video. You'll also mark whether they're a monthly or quarterly client, and you can assign a preparer, reviewer, and manager role if applicable. Make sure the right team members have access, and if you're using Keeper's client communication workflows, ensure the right people are getting notified when clients respond to questions. Once connected, you'll see your clients populate on your dashboard. Feel free to pause this video now and take a moment to add your clients. I'll be right here when you get back. Let's walk through the default view, working from left to right. The client column shows the name of the clients. The chats column is for internal communication among your team, tied to each specific client. Then, you'll see the 3 assignee roles if you enabled them, the preparer, the reviewer, and the manager, which help you stay organized by showing you who's responsible for each part of the close. The close column indicates which month or quarter you're actively working on. The due date column helps you track when you plan to complete each review. This automatically repeats each time you create a new close page, and it can be a business day or specific date. So go ahead and pause this video now to get that assigned if you haven't done so already. The status column gives more context whether you're in progress, waiting on the client, ready for review, or fully done. These are our default options, but you can always customize them in your practice settings if you'd like. Everything to the right of that relates to either client communication or task management, both of which we'll go deeper into later in the series. But for now, just know that the next 3 columns help you stay on top of answered questions, uploaded files, and W-9 requests from vendors. And everything from the general column to the additional items represents the sections that your tasks live in. We'll cover how to create new sections and tasks in future videos, but for now just note that Keeper gives you a set of default tasks to start with, each represented by a numbered cell block within these sections. And the goal is easy, is to ensure that every task is assigned to the right person, has a due date, and gets marked off when complete. Only when every task in a section is checked off does the box turn green. Every month, you will need to create a new close page for your clients, since this is something Keeper does not do automatically. But we have a few easy ways to complete this each month. If you want to choose specific clients, use the purple drop-down on the left-hand side of the client row and select Start Close. You can create older closes if you're doing cleanup work as well. Just make sure to choose Previous Close instead. Make sure to click below for more information on how to run cleanups in Keeper. If you'd rather roll your entire book of business into the next month all at once, click the purple Create Close button in the top right corner of your screen and select the appropriate option. It's worth noting that all of your tasks will carry forward automatically with updated dates, and they'll remain assigned to the same team member. That's it for today's video. If you found value, consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to us using the purple widget in the bottom right corner of your account. And lastly, check out the description of this video to find helpful links covering today's topic. See you guys in the next one.